At SAC Commercial Parts, every part tells a story. From the moment it's carefully selected and scanned, to when it's prepared and cleared, our process is precise, reliable, and built around you. And because we know every delivery counts, we offer not just the best prices, but also the best customer care that keeps your business moving forward. With the widest range of Japanese truck parts, from Hino, Isuzu, UD to Dyno, we make sure the parts you need are always available, right here at your nearest branch. SAC Commercial Parts, helping you stay on the road so you can keep the world moving forward.